Hello, and welcome to this Anatomy in Clay video production. In this brief video, we want to go over assembling your Mannequin Student 2 half model and give you some tips to help you out. In your box, you should have received a multi-base, an axial component with standoff, one leg, one arm, and a boom assembly, which consists of a boom top, a pole, and a socket. You will notice that the screws used to put the model together are partially secured in the leg and socket. In the axial component, the screws are keeping the standoff loosely attached. Now let's begin by removing the 3/4 inch screw from the bottom of the foot. Put those off to the side so we can remove the 3/4 inch screw from the socket. Once that's removed, attach the base. Start the screw by hand, then tighten with the 3/32 Allen wrench. Next, invert the leg so we have the foot facing up. Then attach the base and secure it with the 3/4 inch screw we removed earlier. Make sure you don't over-tighten the screw, as this can damage your model. Let's flip the model back over, make sure that the toes are positioned over the middle hole in the base, and now we can attach the remaining pieces of the boom assembly. Insert the pole into the socket. You will need to adjust the boom top accordingly so the pin fits in the pelvis. And now we are ready to add the axial. Before we attach the axial component, let's first remove the 3/4 inch screws. Attach the axial to the pelvis. Align the brass inserts in the axial with the screw holes in the pelvic section and replace the screw. Remember to start them by hand and then tighten with the Allen wrench. Now to attach the arm to the axial. Start by removing the bottom 1 1/4 inch screw from the standoff. Leave the top screw in place. Align holes and attach the bottom screw loosely. Then rotate the arm and remove the top screw. Now align the top holes and attach the top screw through the arm assembly. Finish by tightening both screws. Now that your model is assembled, it's time to get some clay and start building. We want to thank you for joining us for this Anatomy in Clay video production.